Grayscale's high ETF fee keeps the cash flowing in even as investors withdraw. Grayscale's fee revenue from GBTC is nearly 5 times higher than BlackRock's from IBIT, even after a 50% decline in assets under management. Assets under management at Grayscale's GBTC have slumped 50% due to aggressive outflows since it became an exchange-traded fund. Even so, Grayscale is making 5 times the amount BlackRock is from IBIT CoinDesk calculations show. That's down to GBTC's expense ratio of 1.5%, compared with IBIT's 0.25%. Grayscale's Bitcoin, BTC, exchange-traded fund, ETF, is reaping higher income than its rivals even as investors exit the vehicle for lower-cost options. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, with almost $14 billion in assets under management AUM, is earning about $205 million a year, CoinDesk calculations show. The figure is roughly 5 times larger than at rival BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, with $17 billion in AUM, which is raking in just $42.5 million. The discrepancy is mainly down to fees known as the expense ratio. Before the funds opened for trading on January 11th, operators jostling for customers started a price war that saw most settling on an expense ratio below 0.4%. GBTC, which existed as a trust before converting to an ETF, stood out, cutting the ratio just half a percentage point to 1.5%. At the January launch, that compared with 0.2% at Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, BITB, the lowest among the 5 biggest issuers by assets under management. ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF, ARKB, went to 0.21% while IBIT and Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, set it at 0.25%. Grayscale's Bitcoin Mini Trust, BTC, which started up July 31st, now trumps BITB with a 0.15% charge. Even as investors have withdrawn funds in search of platforms with lower expense ratios, GBTC's head start means the cash is still flowing in. In January, it had AUM of $29 billion, according to YCharts, a financial analysis platform, and roughly 600,000 Bitcoin. The figures shrunk to $13.65 billion, based on multiplying net assets value, NAV, per share of $49.12 by the 278 million shares outstanding. It now holds about 220,000 Bitcoin. IBIT, which holds 366,000 Bitcoin, has 642 million shares outstanding and a NAV per share value of $35.13, giving AUM of $17 billion. BlackRock did not respond to an email requesting comment.